Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to set borders in Word document. So let's get started. Simply open the Microsoft Word. Now here you can see the option of Insert tab. Click on Insert tab. Now click on Header. Here you have to select Edit Header. So simply click on Page Layout. Now click on Page Border. Now select the border which you want to insert. From here you can select the color of border. Simply click on OK. So you can see our border is added. So you can also add the borders by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.